Guess what I'm making today? I am making Pikliz. Is a Haitian thing. It's spicy, and I'm going to show you guys how to make it. You can learn how to make this. All right, it's time to pick out all the purple ones because we do not need them. This is time consuming. I'm still picking out the purple cabbage, and the reason why you pick them out is because it's going to change its color, and you don't want it to have that purple-ish color, so you just pick them out. You can actually cut your stuff fresh, your cabbage, but why when you can just buy a bag of coleslaw and save the time, right? Because coleslaw is pretty much just cut up cabbage, and they do add a little bit of carrots in here, but obviously it's not enough. You're definitely going to need to add some carrots. So this is the part that takes longer, is picking out all the purple cabbage. But once you have everything pulled out, it's pretty much a fast process. Okay, so I got done picking out all my purple cabbage. So the next thing, my nose ring is sticking out. So the next thing I'm going to do is add my shredded carrots. I already have some in there, but it's not enough. So I'm going to add my shredded carrot, and then I'm going to run this under the faucet, just to rinse it. If I could actually get this to open. There you go. So I'm just going to add enough, not too much, but enough. Like 2 handfuls and a half, I guess. Okay, so I'm going to rinse this, and once I'm done rinsing, then I'm going to start on the flavor, like I guess my sauce, I don't know, my pickle water. I'm going to do that next after I get done rinsing this, my cabbage and carrots. Got thirsty. But before we actually do a pickle juice, we do need other ingredients, not just the cabbage and carrot. So let me show you guys the other things that you would need to make yourself the perfect Pikliz, which is also, I guess, a spicy coleslaw, if you want another name for it. But you are going to need lime. I have 2, but I may need more. Red pepper, green pepper, onions, vinegar, and of course the main ingredients, which is your peppers. You are going to need as much as you need, I guess, to your spice level. So we are going to chop everything up in small pieces. All right, so I cut everything fine like this. And my onions. Now I'm doing the hot peppers, and after that, then I'll make my pickle juice. But you just want to finely cut everything just the way that I did, like this. Alrighty, so it is time to make the pickle. Going to add a little bit of water. Sit over there. Some vinegar.
Mommy.
Yes.
Take anything. Mommy.
so this is how the Pikliz is looking. I added a total of 5 hot pepper because the first 2 was not hot enough. So I just grabbed 2 that come from my garden, which is hotter than the store-bought. So this is, where does the fly come from? But this is it. I'm going to transfer it to a container. And it's delicious. Nice and green, red, full of carrots, very colorful, spicy, the perfect amount of vinegar and lime. It's delicious. All right, time to transfer.
Yes.
No, I'm not this.
What's my tongue? I usually use a tongue to do this.
No,
No, you shaking the camera. Hold on. I have the Pikliz ready, transferred to a container. I was able to make 2. Just going to put this in the refrigerator, and you could pretty much eat this how you want to, with fried plantain, fried pork, which is known as grill. Put it on your rice, but it's very delicious. It's right here. All right. Bye, guys.